Hey everyone, NASCAR Funk Builders Cup Series here. Today, I'm going to show you my updated cardboard bear trap. It works quite better. So I'm actually going to go over like a better explanation of how I made it and stuff. So it's got the same kind of plate. It's got the spikes on it. You see this part right here is just holding it up, and then so here we go. We're gonna go put our foot in it, and it grabs on just like that. And you do have to reset it. So I'm gonna reset it now. And it grabs on. Alright, so I'm gonna do it again. And it grabs on just like that. Now if you're wondering how this works, first off I have these pieces right here. These 4 spikes are all one piece. These 4 spikes are all one piece. This is one piece, and this is one piece. And then the circle is just one piece. So first I make like these spikes. So I have this piece of cardboard. Then I tape it to the end of this line and do the same thing with this side and just tape it to there. And do the same thing with this. So this connects to this. And this connects to this. And then I put these two and tape it together. Then on this part, on the circle, I just tape it together like this. See the tape? Then I also do it on the other side. And the spikes, I have to like sometimes fold it a little bit to make sure it works. Now, eventually it will get kind of floppy, but I don't know why it does that. I mean, it turned out pretty good. Let's see if I can get it back to its normal state. So its normal state's basically that. Alright, so sometimes you have to adjust it, because this one has that problem where you have to adjust it. And it grabs onto you. Is that pretty cool? This one's the updated version. It looks pretty cool. It's got the plate on there. These things get really weak. I might have to get thicker cardboard for this, but in the end, it's a pretty good bear trap. Can't expect it to be perfect. Looks like that. Look how cool that is. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.